Hello everyone, welcome to module 4 on solid state drives. Now that we have learned more about the concepts of how hard disks work, let's learn about a more modern form of storage devices that are being used increasingly these days, and SSDs are replacing hard disk in most of our data centers. We are also seeing things like all flash data centers these days. So isn't it interesting to learn more about these devices and concepts behind how they work? Yes, right? In this module, we'll learn different content on how SSDs work, what are the different challenging aspects of managing data inside SSDs, such as erasing, how to manage the wear out, how to manage garbage collection, how data is indexed inside SSD, such as flash transitional layer or FTL organization. We would see things from the basic. We would see things like how to store a single bit on an NAND flash, which is the major construction module underneath the SSD. And then from once we learn about how to store bits, then we would see about how this data is organized inside this level, inside different level of parallelism inside SSD. So how to exploit parallelism by using the internal organization or internal architecture of how data is stored within banks, lanes, dies of SSD. We would see how different basic flash operations such as read, write, and erase are conducted. And we would see some of the challenges of how to improve the performance of these flash-based SSDs, as well as how to deal with the reliability challenges that these flash-based SSDs project on our page.